Hey, what's going on guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be very quick. I just want to give you guys a quick update as far as Amazon's shipment deadlines, as far as when you have to have your inventory in the Amazon warehouse to be able to sell during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. If you guys remember back to last year, we had these same exact shipment deadlines, different dates, but same structure. Essentially, it's a guideline for you to follow based off of what Amazon is telling us, that if you want to be able to sell your inventory in for these holidays, then you are going to need your inventory in the warehouse by a specific date. This year is no different. I'm going to read it to you right now. It says fulfillment by Amazon key dates. If your products are fulfilled by Amazon, shipments should arrive at Amazon before the following key dates. Given the unprecedented inbound volume that we are facing this year, inbound wait time may be longer than usual, and we recommend you plan early and ensure additional buffer time. Inventory for Black Friday and Cyber Monday should arrive at Amazon fulfillment centers before November 6th, 2020. Inventory for Christmas shopping should arrive at Amazon's fulfillment centers before December 1st. So those are the dates that you guys need to follow. Now, these are guidelines to follow. They are not absolutes. This is Amazon saying, hey, we're gonna do our absolute best, but you should probably take into account additional buffer time, which is what they say. Because like we all have experienced sending all of this inventory in recently, just trying to get ready for this peak time of Q4, Amazon is taking a very, very long time to process shipments, to look over cases, to do pretty much everything. Amazon is taking a lot longer right now because of everything that they're dealing with, which makes sense. You know, the huge influx of new online shoppers is something that they weren't really prepared for or weren't really expecting, but now they have to make do with what they have. So send in your inventory in as fast as possible, like today. But even if you are past these dates, don't just tell yourself, you know, what's the point of sending this inventory in? I'm already past these key dates. These are guidelines. Again, these are not absolutes. These aren't set in stone. You could still send in inventory past these dates and maybe it will still get processed. And if it doesn't get processed for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, you'll definitely be processed, or you definitely have your inventory in before December 1st. But again, it's just important to send in inventory as often as possible as we go and approach, you know, at the peak time of Q4. Now, this Q4 is a completely different situation than any of us have ever experienced because of the pandemic. So you're going to really want a good strategy to follow that's going to be best for your business going into the peak time of Q4. Is it sending all of your inventory into FBA, or maybe some inventory into FBA, some inventory kept for FBM? Is it going all FBM? Is it sending SPD shipments, LTL shipments? What's going to get processed faster? Whatever strategy is going to work best for you so you can maximize on the sales that are going to be coming. So again, guys, just a super quick video for you guys. I wanted you guys to be aware of these shipment deadlines so you guys can prepare for them. Again, November 6th for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and December 1st for Christmas. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.